Hello everyone, good morning students of class 2. Today I am going to take one poem. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Just open your book, turn page number 15 and the poem is Have you seen the cuckoo bird? And who is the poet of the poem? Swapna Datta. It is written by Swapna Datta. Now this poem is very much interesting, children. If you read, this is you will feel this one is very much interesting. In this poem, the poet was expressing his love, his devotion for the beautiful bird cuckoo. The poet was expressing his love and his devotion for the beautiful bird cuckoo. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Okay, today I will explain you the poem. Firstly, I will read the poem. Start for you. Okay, once again I will read. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing the cuckoo on our champak tree. It's hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close, but how she sings at night. Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. It's very much interesting, children. See, in this poem, the speaker asks us, if we have seen a cuckoo bird with a black wing. So the speaker is telling, the poet is asking that if we have seen the cuckoo bird with the color, which color? Raven colored wing. Raven colored is given in your book. See the meaning? Black. Okay, the wing is in the cuckoo bird's wing is in black in color. Do you understand wing? Okay, bird's wing. Yes. Even I often heard sing. So, raven colored is a kind of bird which looks like a crow. This cuckoo bird's raven colored wing, it's kind of a bird which looks like a crow. That is why speaker has used the word raven colored. Okay. Now at the same time telling us that she is not seen a cuckoo bird. At the same time the poet is telling that she has not seen the cuckoo bird till now, but she has heard that the bird sings. No, the bird seems to be say that the bird, she may be dark. In the last stanza, bird seems to be say that the bird may be dark, but she sings beautifully better than all the birds. Okay, so this poem is very much interesting, children. Just once read it. In this poem, poet loves this cuckoo bird very much and he is asking us that have you seen the cuckoo bird? So the cuckoo bird is a kind of a bird that looks like a crow. Have you seen the crow? I think you all have seen the crow, no? So just like that, the raven colored wing she have, and at the same time she is telling, the poet is telling that she has not seen the cuckoo bird. Okay, because she always sitting on the champak tree and we can't see her, but we heard the song which she sings. No, she sings very nicely. So in this poem, the speaker hears the cuckoo bird singing in the champak tree in her house. The speaker can't see the bird as is the hidden in the thick and dense leaves of the tree. The speaker hears the birds lovely singing at night. The cuckoo bird seems to be singing about her dark color and that there is no other bird that can sing like her. Okay, so this one more time we will sing for this. Just stand up in your place and do and take your book and read it loudly. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close, but now she sings at night. Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. So I think this is clear to you all. Now we will do question and answer. So A number question, just see in your book, page number 16. What color are the cuckoo wings? The cuckoo wing is raven colored. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on champak tree. Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? The speaker can't see the cuckoo bird because it is hidden in the thick and dense leaves of the tree. Number 4, when does the cuckoo sing? The cuckoo sings at night. What does the cuckoo say? The cuckoo says that there is no other bird that can sing like her. Okay? Page number 16b, do by yourself and write this poem nicely. Try to draw the cuckoo bird in your notebook and color it nicely. I hope this poem is understood. And don't forget to color the picture and write the poem in your copy. And do the question and answer in your copy. Okay? Thank you so much for listening.